Hey guys, welcome back. We're back in the garage at the laser. Today's episode of Will It Burn is a piece of cedar. I burnt cedar before, but I want to put a steal your face on this guy, and I've been working on different coasters. And I really like this idea of the big cedar coasters. So if you have any other ideas or want to see something thrown in here and burnt, please let me know in the comments. I am always up for criticism. So here we go. Piece of cedar at we're gonna go 250 millimeters a second at about 35 power. See how that comes out. All right, guys, here we go. Thanks for coming by. Making up some new cedar coasters. Oh yeah.